Hello, this is Smartphone Business.com once again from Mobile World Congress. We are here with
Steven Schmidt
from
Jabra.
And you are based in?
I'm based in Copenhagen.
Okay, can you give us a short overview of the company?
GN Netcom, which is the company name, has the brand Jabra, and we are the largest manufacturer of Bluetooth headsets and carry, as I said, the Jabra brand.
And who is your main market?
We're a global brand and are very strong on a global perspective, so both in the US and in key areas of Europe, like UK.
And to whom is the product directed to?
It's for I would call it a natural consumer, both within regular retail, private use, and for professional use.
And what are you presenting here at the Congress this year's Congress?
We have 3 products that I'd like to put forward. We could start with the Jabra Extreme. That is our new hero product within sound. It's got a dual mic and also on top of that unique software that gives very good noise cancellation. Simply keeping the natural true voice, but at the same time minimizing or eliminating noise around you. Besides that, we have the Jabra Clipper, which is a new stereo product. Simply clip on the product to the shirt here, and obviously you can use the earbuds that follow along, or plug in another preferred one if you want to via the 3.5mm jack. It's got multi-use, so you would also be able to plug it up with several devices. Thirdly is the Jabra Stone, which is a unique headset, at least within design and also within feature. It's got a dual mic technology, as we heard about from the Extreme, with the unique software enabling a very good sound, although you see the microphone is further away than you normally see on other headsets. It's got a soft touch, so you can turn up the sound volume just by touching here and turn down, obviously. A2 dB for streaming music. And on top of that, you can simply put in the headset in this charging cradle that in total, with the headset and the cradle here, gives you 8 hours talk time. So you have a very light, sleek headset with actually a long talk time with this.
And what has been the response to the product here at the Congress so far?
Very good response. If you specifically talk about the Stone, people love the design language, the design of the Stone, and the unique features of the soft touch, and also this cradle or stone, we might call it, where you plug it in, has been seen as a nice feature.
What's the price?
This is 99 euros, and this is 79 euros and 49 euros for the Clipper.
Okay, so thank you very much for the conversation and wish you good luck.
Thank you.